Hi there, welcome to Just Temmi. If today is your first day here, so my name is Temmi, and I'm going to be reading another children's book today. Today I'm going to read No More Yawning. No More Yawning. Oh, we do know how it is when we yawn. Sometimes we are not even tired, right? But your friend is yawning, and what happens? You start to yawn as well. Okay, let's see what this is all about. So it's a bedtime for Florence and Arnold, and is written by Paeony Louise. No more yawning. It's going to be interesting, hey? I'm Florence. This is my drawing of Arnold in a banana bed. I'm giving him a sleepy mood because it's 7 o'clock and time for bed. Mom kisses me goodnight and dims my light. I yawn, a big yawn, and shut my eyes. I yawn again. This time I yawn so big, it's bigger than a banana. We're trying to sleep, we really are. But we can't. The trouble is, Mom forgot to give Arnold a goodnight kiss. We find Mom. Mom kisses Arnold. I kiss Mom. Arnold wants another kiss. No more kissing, no more yawning, says Mom. It's time for sleep. We're trying to sleep. We really are. But Arnold's feeling lonely, so I sing him a lullaby about a twinkling star. Arnold likes it so much, I have to sing it 5 times. Then I draw him a picture of a shiny bright star. Would you like to see that? That's a picture of a shiny bright star. All the singing makes me thirsty, so I go to find Mom. Mom gives me a cup of water and I only spill a little bit when I yawn, bigger than Arnold's smile. Mom says, no more singing, no more yawning, it's time for sleep. Oops, Mom's seen my bedroom light. I jump into bed and yawn, bigger than Arnold's tummy. Mom frowns at all the books and says, no more stories, no more yawning, it's time for sleep. But we're trying to sleep, we really are. Mom tells me I'll get sleepy if I count imaginary sheep jumping over a gate. So I try counting sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. I've gone wrong. Sometimes I play with cut-out numbers, so tonight I make cut-out sheep. I number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's after 7? Arnold thinks it's 9. It's hard to count sheep when you can't stop yawning. 9, 10, 11, 12. What's after 12? I don't know. Arnold doesn't know. We have to ask Mom. I yawn bigger than Arnold's tail to show Mom that we're trying to sleep. We really are. It's not our fault numbers are so tricky. Oh, another big yawn. Mom groans and says, no more counting, no more drawing, no more cutting, no more yawning. It's time for sleep. She tells me I get sleepy if I shut my eyes and think of everything that's yellow. And if I'm still not asleep, I can choose another color and another. I shut my eyes tight. Sun, Bertha, my yellow chair, Grandpa's hat, sunflowers, buttercups, cheese, our car. What else is yellow? Bananas! We're trying to sleep. We really are. But I can't think of anything else that's yellow. Arnold can't either. So we think about pink. My curtains are pink and candy floss, raspberries, milkshake, pink socks. What else? Are my big yawns pink? We're not sure. I call out to ask Mom. My mom's cross. She says, no more kissing, no more singing, no more stories, no more counting, no more drawing, no more cutting, no more colors, no more yawning. Go to bed. Mommy is so cross. Can you see that? Mommy is so, so cross. Huh? Go to sleep. We're trying to sleep. We really are. But it's hard to sleep when you're sad. Mommy says sorry for shouting and gives me a hug. And Arnold too. I asked Mom how she got to sleep when she was little. She thinks odd. Then she remembers. She'd shut her eyes and make up a story in her head. Soon she'll be dreaming about the fairies or digging up for treasure. I tell Mom my dream story will be about exploring a jungle full of monkeys, wild bananas, wild animals. I yawned a bigger yawn than Arnold and shut my eyes. We were asleep. We really were. Totally, completely asleep. Then Mom woke us with a noisy yawn as big as an elephant. Naughty Mom. I tell Mom, no more yawning. It's time you went to sleep. Now I give her a kiss. Good night. Oh, isn't that so nice, so adorable? Do you see that? Huh? Do you also give your mom a good night's kiss? Yes, that's nice. And that's the end. That was a lovely one, wasn't it? No more yawning. And that's the end of our story today. See you next time. Bye.